Now, your local weather with the KX Storm Team.
Hey, Tom. We're the YMCA 10 o'clock swim crew. Hey, Tom.
Well, it looks like that was a fun class at the Y, swimming indoors. Yeah, always a lot of fun. So thank you for that, Hey Tom. And you asked on a beautiful day, it doesn't get much nicer. Don't even see a cloud on the KX cam. Now this is the Minot one looking, this will be Highway 2 and that's 83. And the temperatures in Minot at this hour, 78 degrees. It's a little bit cooler in Bismarck at 76. Notice Williston at 80 degrees, in the Bakken 81 at Watford City, and Sydney at 83, Flasher at 77. Medina's the cool spot right now at only 70 degrees, and I think Rugby was, what, 73? And the wind continues to be very light today. It's a little bit breezier in the southwest, but not bad, roughly 4, 5, 6, 7 miles an hour most places, but that is going to change. Now, it's not going to be terribly windy tomorrow morning, but this is a wind gust forecast for tomorrow night, and this will be around 10 o'clock. Now, notice here's 83. Most of the stronger wind gusts will be east or west of 83, some of it obviously to the east, but you can see 30, 35 mile an hour wind gusts tomorrow evening, and some spots even 35 to 40. Wouldn't be a total surprise to have some type of a wind advisory somewhere in the southwest if this does look like it's going to happen. But still, it looks like the wind is really going to start picking up here during the day. Now, as we look at the satellite and radar, a couple severe storms in Wyoming, severe thunderstorm watch there. Another much larger area encompassed by a severe thunderstorm watch along the east coast, and some couple severe storms here or there. But overall, many areas are enjoying very, very nice weather today. So now we can look at our computer model to see what is going to be happening. And I've jumped ahead to tomorrow morning because nothing's going to happen tonight. It'll just be a nice night. Nice night to open up the windows, let some fresh air in, because many areas could get into the 40s. Now, you're probably not going to want to leave it open all night because it'll get too cold, but still be nice to get some fresh air. Nice to get some fresh air. Notice the arrows a little bit longer in western North Dakota. That means a little more wind, even early in the day, than around Highway 83, and then points to the east. And as we go throughout the day, and I think I'm going to stop at around 7 o'clock, notice these arrows bigger. Well, it's going to be kind of windy. Sustained winds, 20 and 25 miles an hour. Wind gusts could be stronger than that. But now, look here, off to the west in Montana. Last night, during KX News at 5 and at 6, the computer model, the same computer model, had this line right here on the Mondac border, and I think I mentioned it's probably going to slow it down. Well, it did. There it is. So you can see it's 7 o'clock, so let's jump ahead a little bit. By 2 o'clock in the morning, it looks like western North Dakota, but now it doesn't look like big storms. It doesn't look like that long line of storms there, and you can see a little heavier rain down in the southwest, but pretty widespread rain in eastern Montana. So by 5, 6, 7 o'clock, it may be getting to around Highway 83. A little more scattered, but still that potential is there. And then throughout the day, it looks like we'll continue to have chances of showers and storms on Friday. And actually, we're going to have a chance of storms Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. The next 8 to 14 days, we have the confidence is pretty high that we're going to have cooler than normal temperatures next week. It is going to cool down, might be a little bit wetter than normal as well. Next 72 hours for Dickinson, pretty good odds starting tomorrow night for showers and maybe some thunderstorms, and we keep those chances of storms. For Williston, the same thing. Forecast lows tonight will be in the 50s and most places tomorrow back into the 80s. Here's a look at the next 7 days. Yes, we have chances of showers and storms, but Lauren, it does look like once the things start tomorrow night, it'll be several days before it really dries out.
Yeah, wow, what a weekend we're in for. Thanks, Tom. Next in our